Passive Income 2022 12 Best Business Ideas. Your household income is probably shrinking as a result of today's inflation rates. If you're looking for a way to make some quick money, you might be asking yourself, what is the easiest way to make passive income? What can I do to earn $500 more per month? What can I do to earn that extra $1,000 a month? Hello and welcome to Tom's Do-It-Yourself Investing, a channel where we discuss personal finance tips, investing guides, real estate, and the stock market. In this video, we will be discussing 12 business ideas for passive income. The idea of passive income is something that has been discussed for years, and yet it seems to be just as relevant today as ever before. As the world becomes a more challenging place, people are looking at various ways to generate an income without having to go to work each day. Passive income is one such way of generating income. Rather than having to actively go out there and find work, passive income is income that comes in passively without requiring you to actively do something like sell some product or service. Instead, passive income involves putting your money into something where it will grow over time so that you can earn money from it without having to actively do anything. With the rise of the gig economy and many other new business ideas coming up every day, there are now more opportunities than ever before for potential investors to put their money into something with a high yield and a low risk, which is exactly what passive income is all about. Now let's explore some ways to generate passive income. Number 1. Rent out your car. If you have a car that you are not using for any special reason, you can rent it out to people who need it through websites like Turo, HireCar, GetAround, and Car2Go. Not only will it get you some passive income from the rental, but you will also be making the world a better place by making other people's lives easier. The car rental business is a $100 billion market, and there is room for lots of competition. Individuals can start their own car rental business with very little investment. You can also franchise your car rental business. Franchised car rental businesses are rapidly growing, and you can start one by buying an existing franchise or by buying a franchise kit and hiring a franchise consultant. Number 2. Sell an online course. If you have expertise in a certain field and are able to impart that knowledge to others in a structured and organized way, then you can try selling an online course to others who want to learn from you. Not only is this a good passive income source, but it also helps others to learn from your expertise. After all, education is the most important investment that we can make in the future. There are many platforms out there on which you can sell your online courses, and you can set your own price and schedule. You can also use tools like Teachable, which will help you create an online course and get it out there for people to purchase. Number 3. Start a blog. A blog is a great way for you to share information and your thoughts with the world. A blog does not have to be about something serious. There are many popular blogs that are written purely for entertainment. Whatever your blog is about, you will be able to monetize it by placing advertisements on it and earning money from those who click on your adverts. You can also invite other bloggers to write guest posts on your blog and share their knowledge with your readers. By doing this, you will be helping to build relationships with others in your industry. Number 4. Invest in rental properties. Investing in rental properties is a tried and tested form of passive income that has been used for many years and for many generations. Essentially, rental properties are properties that you own that you rent out to others. For example, you can buy a house, fix it up, and rent it out to others who might not otherwise be able to afford a house. This will not only provide you with passive income, but it will also help others to afford housing that they might otherwise not have been able to afford. Rental properties are often a sound investment, but you need to make sure that the property itself is sound. Number 5. Rent out storage space. If you are fortunate enough to own a commercial property, you can rent out storage space to others who may need a place to store their things but don't have one available. This kind of passive income is ideal because it doesn't require you to actively be involved. Once the contract is signed, you just sit back and wait for the money to roll in. When renting out storage space, it is important for you to comply with your local and state laws and regulations. Basements, attics, garages, bedrooms, and closets can all be profitable. As a side investment, you can even buy a storage shed for a pretty low cost if you don't have any extra space in your house. Rent for a space will be determined by its size, security, privacy, and accessibility. You can rent storage spaces through Neighbor, an online marketplace similar to Airbnb. Number 6. Create a YouTube channel. A YouTube channel can be a really effective way for you to share your knowledge and expertise with the world. You can talk about anything that you like, whether it be comedy, music, politics, or anything else. You can also create tutorials and other types of educational videos. Making videos is more accessible than ever before, and you can create your channel on YouTube for free. To make passive income from your channel, sign up as a YouTube partner and get paid each time somebody clicks on your ad and watches your video. When starting a YouTube channel, you need to decide what your niche is going to be. You also need to decide on the type of videos that you are going to create. You then need to promote your videos, and you can do this in a number of ways. You can also monetize your YouTube channel by incorporating ads into your videos and getting paid each time somebody clicks on your ad. Number 7. Promote affiliate products. If you have a blog and are knowledgeable about certain products and services, you can earn money each time that you refer them to somebody else. This is known as affiliate marketing and is a great way to earn an income passively. You simply have to find products that you feel comfortable promoting, create a website or blog, and actively encourage others to buy the product through your affiliate link. You can also create videos that talk about the products that you are promoting and add your affiliate link in the video. If you think you have found the best passive income idea, wait for what we have to share next. Keep watching the video until the end. Number 8. Sell digital assets. You can sell assets that exist only in the digital world. For example, you can sell an app that you have written or some software that you have created. There are various websites out there that will help you to do this, and you can sell your assets for a one-off fee or for a recurring fee. You can also sell assets that are related to blockchain technology. Blockchain is the technology behind cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, and it is expected to disrupt many industries in the coming years. Blockchain-related assets may be worth a significant amount of money in the future. Number 9. Sell stock photos. If you are a photographer and you have pictures that you have taken, you can sell those pictures as stock photos. You can do this through various websites like iStock, Shutterstock, and Etsy. You can sell your photos in many different categories, and you can also create a portfolio and submit your photos for review. Stock photos are used in many different places, such as advertisements, websites, blogs, and magazines. You can also sell your photos through a number of online forums and marketplaces. You will normally get paid per photo, and it is a great way to earn a passive income. Number 10. Buy a vending machine. If you are in a location where there are a lot of people, such as in a busy city, you may be able to buy a vending machine and sell various products from it. You can buy a vending machine that sells a particular product or one that offers a variety of products. You can put your vending machine in places that are usually uneconomical for a business owner to put a store. Vending machines are also a great way for selling products that are not fresh, but where the packaging is important. For example, a bag of chips in a vending machine will be fresh for a long time and therefore profitable. Number 11. Own a billboard. Yes, you can get paid by posting advertisements. If you have a commercial property, you can easily put a billboard on top of it and charge to place advertisements. It's no secret that billboards have been used around the world for a long time. Advertisers know that billboards work, which is why they pay big bucks for them. What is the significance of this? Billboards contribute to a $6.5 billion industry, and you can profit from it as well. Billboards can make money, but their real appeal lies in their ability to generate passive income. Even if you are sleeping, eating, or walking the dog, your billboard will continue generating advertising revenue. Number 12. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is becoming one of the most popular passive income methods. Initially, you need to set up your online store, but here's the catch. You just need to add products and promote them. The products will be delivered to customers by a third party, and you will retain the profits without ever actually buying or selling the products themselves. Which passive income idea do you think is most convenient for you? Share your preferences in the comments. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask them in the comments below, and I will get back to you. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to share the knowledge with those who might find it useful. I will be back with more videos. Until then, take care and stay tuned.